Our cash dashboard shows what cash we have right now, and what money is coming in or going out. Every night it updates, so we see it first thing in the morning. When Ahmad first heard this, he was surprised. Microsoft is a giant, earning over $200 billion a year, yet even they rely on a simple tool, a cash dashboard. A cash dashboard is a visual report showing your current bank balances, money customers will pay you soon, and bills you must pay soon. Updated each night, it gives Microsoft's finance team a clear picture of their cash before the workday begins. Building the dashboard Power BI and Dynamics 365 Finance. Microsoft built its report using two tools. Dynamics 365 Finance, their cloud accounting system that records every sale and bill, and Power BI, a tool that turns data into easy-to-read charts and tables. Together, they pull numbers from all of Microsoft's bank accounts, expected customer payments, and upcoming bills. The result is a chart showing cash today and projected cash for the next 30 days. A real-life test. Avoiding a $2 billion shortfall. In March 2025, as the US dollar weakened in Europe and Microsoft planned to spend 53% more on new cloud servers than the year before, the dashboard showed they would be $2 billion short of cash by June if they did nothing. Using the dashboard, the Treasury team spotted the $2 billion gap in projected cash. They decided to delay non-urgent server builds by 2 months. After rerunning the forecast, it then showed no shortfall. This move allowed Microsoft to fund its projects without taking new loans or issuing more shares. Why this matters to you? You don't need fancy software. You can make a simple version in Excel, list your bank balances, add all expected customer payments, add all upcoming bills, subtract upcoming bills from bank plus payments for each future day. Set an alert if projected cash falls below your comfort level. Opening this report every morning helps you catch cash gaps before they become emergencies, adjust spending on inventory, payroll, or marketing, decide in time whether to borrow, cut costs, or delay projects. What's next? Tomorrow we'll explore Day 11 what success means to me. See how Johnson & Johnson measures real success through steady cash flow growth and a 59-year dividend growth streak. Could a simple cash dashboard spot your next cash crunch? Please like, follow, and share, and let's build smarter businesses. Don't miss Day 11, what success means to me. End of video recap. Day 9, core lesson. A daily cash dashboard prevents surprises. Key tools. Dynamics 365 Finance for data and Power BI for reports. Takeaway. Create your own daily report by combining bank balances, expected payments, and upcoming bills to catch gaps early. Also, follow and like me for more stories like this. Your next cash flow breakthrough is just one click away.